Hi, Judd here, and look what I have this morning. Actual blooms on the Mexican petunias. It's springtime, and that water I dumped on, we haven't had any rain. We need rain. We had a little rain last night, but not anywhere near as much as we need. Since last time in Lucinda's garden, I was messing around in here. I found a couple more of these little mothers of millions starting up. Actually, in part of the stuff I dug up and everything, so I put them over here in this nice safe spot. And I was cleaning up a little dirt here and found this killer root, which probably goes all the way under the house. And another one over here. And I also found up in here another survivor, a spider plant. It's in there, trust me. And so that's definitely got to move, because that's where I'm going to need to stand when I rebuild that whole side of the porch there. I also trimmed off a lot of the dead stuff, and I got a lot of dragon fruit left green. And I also cut that plumeria down to the stump, so that's gone. And while we're at it, what is that? Lucinda, any thoughts? And here's what we got on the other side. Those are all jade, I think. So I'm going to do some more clean out today and pray for rain. There you go. Look at that baby. Woo. You know what? I'm going to change the game. Be back. Root Slayer. A lot of rocks in there. Just put a lot of rocks in there. Wow. It is still looking bad even down there, but we'll stick this somewhere and see if it wants to come back. This might be part of another plant. Yeah, I think it is. This is the one we snapped off. Yeah, so it's restarting at a couple of points, so we'll give that a pot. Okay, and there's another piece of it. Okay, again with a couple of shoots going up there. So we'll give both of those a chance in the renovated garden. Okay, I'm on a break. The sun's out of sight right now, but it's getting very hot out here. And I roughed up everything. And it turns out I've got a lot more dragon fruit in good condition than I thought. And a lot of it has developed significant roots. And but I still got to take that all out of there. So what I'm going to do, hopefully today, is get this next section right in here, get that all cleaned up, and then I can just lay the dragon fruit in there as a holding pattern and then continue on into there with the deep cleaning. Hey, this is like going to the dentist, man. We're doing the deep cleaning, and you know that's the big job. The painful one, the expensive one, the why the hell are they poking holes in my jaw one. Not that I've had any dental work done lately. But there we go. Yeah, that's the plan at the moment. Okay, I think I'm going to call it a wrap. I'm kind of weary, and the pool is feeling very inviting at the moment. So, you know what? Happy day to you.